Hello, my name is Kaushik and I'm from the US batch of the Satellite Skill Program. Today, I'm going to be presenting my Rohini sat built from the first few weeks of the program. So, this is based off the Rohini satellite launched in 1969 by the ISRO. It was a pretty big, since satellites didn't have as many complex functions back then and the space race was only just evolving, the satellite's functions are pretty basic. So what it does is it will use the DHT sensor right here to measure both the temperature and the humidity. So inside this blue box right here, there's a smaller sensor, and this LED right about here just indicates what that the sensor is on. So there's a small sensor inside of this, and it will detect the amount of water in the air. It will detect the amount of water in the air and how hot the water is to tell us the temperature. There's also a camera right here, which, when connected to another device, allows you to see what the camera is seeing. And right above it, there's a magnetometer, which is just similar to a compass. So it will take the it will find out the magnetic direction of Earth's field. And finally, right here is just the display to see all the data that the satellite has collected during the sessions. The four top rods are the antenna. These are just models, but on the original Rohini sat, the antennas were used to transmit the data back to Earth. And there's solar panels on the side, which the Rohini sat used to power itself. And in the original Rohini sat, there was a small sensor. They used the magnometer sensor to make sure that the camera always stayed away from any solar rays. So I'm going to show you how this satellite works. So as you can see, it'll say Rohini sat for a little bit. And here it'll give you where you are in degrees, the temperature in Celsius, and the humidity level. Thank you.